YouTube, what's up? What's up? What's up? This is Rally 3, the best themes of rallying. I'm gonna hear some pure sounds, guys, and this is a reaction video. And welcome to the channel. It's your boy Sika Prince. And let's begin right here. All rally fans, are you ready? One, two, three, go. Also press the like button, guys.
Superbe.
Ooh. Ooh.
Now introducing John Humble and Nick Starkey. Just watch this.
Gauche 95 au long. 60 mètres, attention, gauche 90, en droite 85 CD. Droite 90, droite 95 au long pour gauche à fond. 60 mètres, droite à fond. 80 mètres. Gauche au centre, en droite 95.
Ooh. It's like knowing it was a
No, nemožíme. Co? Ne, dělej! Au!
Clean.
Au! To traute.
It was one of my favorite rally cars. Yeah, these men are dirty. Is a Ford? Oh no. Shit.
If there aren't enough marshals there, if there are no spectators,
I always wonder with the Mini Coopers, like why I never seen them at the top, like top. You understand? Like they're not. I don't know. There's some that they all right. The Mini Coopers look nice. You know, I like the design and everything. You know, does a nice. I love it, but it, it's not winning. Now why? And they have good drivers driving it.
David Higgins is going to get the surprise and shock of his life.
Whoa, just narrowly avoids that guy 5 metres more, and that could have been a disaster.
Oh, was that a quattro? That was a quattro. Ooh, nice save.
A bit at the bottom.
Hold it, hold it.
The biggest moment of my life there, through the bump.
Better hold it.
Ja pierdolę.
Vaseneri 6 ja
Dangerous, man. Break time. It's clean. It was crazy. I really enjoyed this video. This is one of the best I've watched so far. You know, Rally 3. You know, this is Rally 3. And 3 is dead. I died. Yeah, died with the goodness, but you know the vibe. It's a voice of Prince. You know, tell me what you enjoy about Rally. Tell me what was the best Rally scene you ever experienced. Um, yeah, subscribe for more reaction. Also, if you have suggestions, just give me video suggestions that I could like react to. And yeah, stay safe. I'm out.